Hello and welcome to our video on the 5 most popular types of meditation for beginners. Meditation is a powerful tool that can help you reduce stress, improve focus, and increase happiness and well-being. In this video, we will explore 5 different types of meditation that are perfect for beginners. Whether you're completely new to meditation or have tried it before and want to explore different techniques, this video is for you. So, sit back, relax, and let's dive in. The first type of meditation we'll explore is mindfulness meditation. This is one of the most popular types of meditation, and for good reason. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing your attention on the present moment, without judgment. This can be done by focusing on your breath, a particular sensation in your body, or even your thoughts and emotions. The goal is to become more aware of your thoughts and feelings and to be able to observe them without getting caught up in them. The benefits of mindfulness meditation include reduced stress and anxiety, improved focus and concentration, and increased feelings of happiness and well-being. The second type of meditation is loving-kindness meditation. This type of meditation involves cultivating feelings of love, kindness, and compassion towards yourself and others. It typically involves repeating phrases such as "May I be happy," "May I be healthy," "May I be at peace," and then extending those wishes to others. The benefits of loving-kindness meditation include increased feelings of empathy and compassion, as well as reduced feelings of anger and resentment. The third type of meditation is body scan meditation. This type of meditation involves systematically scanning through your body, paying attention to any sensations or areas of tension. The goal is to become more aware of your body and to release any tension or stress that you may be holding on to. The benefits of body scan meditation include reduced muscle tension, improved sleep, and increased feelings of relaxation. The fourth type of meditation is mantra meditation. This type of meditation involves repeating a word or phrase, known as a mantra, either silently or out loud. The goal is to focus your attention on the mantra, which can help to quiet your mind and reduce distracting thoughts. The benefits of mantra meditation include improved focus and concentration, as well as reduced stress and anxiety. The fifth and final type of meditation we'll explore is visualization meditation. This type of meditation involves visualizing a peaceful or calming scene, such as a beach or a forest. The goal is to create a vivid mental image and to immerse yourself in that scene, which can help to reduce stress and anxiety. The benefits of visualization meditation include increased feelings of relaxation and calmness, as well as improved mental clarity. So, there you have it, the 5 most popular types of meditation for beginners. Each of these types of meditation has its own unique benefits, and it's worth trying out each one to see which works best for you. Remember, meditation is a practice, and it may take time and patience to develop your skills. But with consistent practice, you can reap the many benefits of meditation and improve your overall well-being.